In this 2-minute Zoom tutorial, you'll learn how to disable or enable the waiting room, a security layer to help restrict certain visitors who are not supposed to be in your Zoom meeting. Following several security enhancements in early April, Zoom enabled the waiting room by default. I'll be covering how to disable it towards the end of this short video. In addition, Zoom now requires a password for any instant meetings and scheduled meetings. There are two ways to join a password-protected Zoom meeting. First, if you get invited to a Zoom meeting with a password and you already have a Zoom account, you can bypass the password and go straight to the waiting room. The host would then have to admit you a single layer of security. Another way people can join is by typing in the meeting ID. They would need to click on the Join Meeting button on the Zoom client, punch in the meeting ID, and the password prompt will follow. They will then go into the waiting room until the host admits them. These are safeguards put in place to protect against Zoom bombings, which occurred in March, where unauthorized guests crashed Zoom meetings and often hijacked the screen share feature. If for some reason you'd like to disable the waiting room, log into your account, go to Settings, in Meeting Advanced, scroll down to Waiting Room, and disable it. If you find this video useful, be sure to like it and please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you get notified when new videos are released.